Hello everyone and welcome back to Milo Farms. Well, taking a look today at this license plate light that is burned out on this 2009 Smart 451 Smart for 2. Both Smart for 2 models that I have the same kind of license plate light, and so to replace them it's a pretty simple process. Right here's the little light fixture. Go ahead and on the left one push it to the right. It'll kind of pop down and then you can pull it to the left and the whole fixture will drop down right there. Then you can see right there is the burned out bulb. Go ahead and pop that bulb out. Going to be replacing it with an LED just like I did on the other car. And these LEDs are directional, so if you put it in the first way and it doesn't work, then make sure you flip it around so it fits the other way and will work. So we'll go ahead and pop the old one out and pop the new one in. So there's the new bulb put back in, and it's fit the right direction, so it's illuminated with the headlights on. Then you'll go ahead and put the right section back in, push it slightly, and the left will pop in as well. So that is the left one of the two lights, and then the right one will be a similar process. You just need to figure out which way you push it. In this case you push it right, pull it down, and do the same thing, and that will replace the other bulb. So I'll link to those bulbs in the description and hope that helps somebody out. Remember, you can't finish a project without getting started.